Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation. My name is Sarfadila Aprilia Putri and this is my web programming practicum report. In this video, I will explain the HTML code that I made. There are two parts. The first is about my biodata page and the second is about a registration form. So let's start with the first HTML code. Before that, I want to share screen before. Okay. So the first HTML code is for my biodata page. So at the top, we have this to tell the browser that the document is HTML5. And then we have this to start the HTML document with English as the default language. Okay. Inside the head section, we put information like this to display all characters are correctly. And we also have this to make the page are responsive. And also we have title. So the title is Biodataku. And then we also have the style to add some CSS, for example, to give color to the first row of the table. So the background color is biscuit. Okay, now in the body, this is the body section. Okay. Uh, in the body section, we put the visible content. The first we have this. So this is the main heading of the page. And this is a subheading. Under this heading, I show my picture using this. So this image has 300 pixel width. Okay, next, I create a list of my identity. So I use this antics tag. The list is show my name, my program of study, my address, and also my email. And then we have this to make a label bold. For example, is name. So this is our bold. After that, I add another section. This is so here I show my hobbies. I use this to make an ordered list with the number. For example, I have cooking, reading, watching, and listening. And also I add some image for my hobbies. So this is the image. Okay, and then I add this. This is riwayat pendidikan. So this section is using a table. So the table has the border, col padding, and col spacing to make it neat. So we have this for a row, and we have this is for the data. For example, SD lulus 2018, SMP lulus 2021, SMA lulus 2024, and S1 ST Teknologi PLN still in progress. So finally, we close the table with this, and then this, and this. And this is the end of the first HTML code. Okay. Okay. I want to show you the result. So this is the result from my source code. Okay. Now let's continue to the second HTML code, which is the registration form. So again, we start with this. And for the head, we set the meta charset, and we have this viewport and give the title. So the title is form, and the body we write this. This is a main heading. And then we use form to make the registration form, and also we have this to create a box around the form, and also we have this to give the title. So the title is formulir registrasi. Okay, inside the form we use a label and input for the user data. So we input nama, NIM, email, jenis kelamin, agama. So I want to explain this. So autofocus, when the page is opened, the cursor will automatically go to this input box, and also required for user must will fill this input. If it is empty, the form cannot be submit. Lalu ada type text. So this input is a normal text box, and plus border. This is example text inside the box. It disappear when the user type. Okay. So this, we also have the type is radio button for gender, male or female. Only one can be chosen. And we use selected with option to make a drop down for religion. For the password, we use the password. So the user must type the password 2 times. For one to making the password, and for one to confirmation. This is confirmation. If they are not same, the browser show an error. And then we add button type of daftar. So the when user click this button, the browser will check all input. If something is empty wrong, the form cannot be submit. And if everything is correct, the form is ready to be sent to the server. So I will show you the result for this source code. Okay. We also have this. Okay. So the summarize, the first HTML code show my biodata page with heading, image, list, and table. The second HTML code is show a registration form with validation for each input. So both codes use a simple HTML structure, but they are useful to create a clear and organizer web page. So that is all my explanation for this practicum report. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you can understand my explanation. So see you in my next project. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.